Welcome to the Banner 9 video guide series. This guide will explain two ways of searching for a student, how to perform a lookup, and how to do a basic filter. There are multiple ways to search for a student based on how much information you already have on the student. The first way is by using the person search function attached to every form. First, you want to sign in to Banner 9 and open your desired form, for example, Spaden in our case. Now in the box labeled ID, next to it you have the lookup function or the ellipsis button right here. When you click that, that opens the option list. You click person search, and in the drop down box you can select the specific field you're searching for example last name. When you click the field, the operator box appears and it's pre-filled with the contains operator. In the next box to the right, you can type in the characters you want to match the last name in this case. You can change the operator to like, starts with, ends with, depending on what type of information you have. You can also select other fields such as first name or ID if you have the ID number or part of it. You can select multiple fields to execute a custom filter. For example, we can have a last name that contains STUD and a first name that starts with Sam. When you click go, you have a list of last names that match STUD and first names that start with Sam. You can click a sample student here by selecting their ID number. Click go to activate the Spaden form. Another way of finding a student is by using the ID and name extended search function. And you can use the function if you know the last name of the student. So if we'll clear out from this form, and you go into Spaden again, in the ID box, you can press tab on your keyboard, and in the second blank box appearing to the right, you can type in the person's last name, student for example. You press tab again on your keyboard, and that should open the ID and name extended search function. Now we can see that the person non-person count is 48, and you can reduce the search or narrow down the results by grouping them by person, non-person, or filtering by city or birthday or any of these fields. If you press to see results, it will show you all the records with the last name student. So we can click one here, for example sample student 4, and click go to activate that page. Now on this page, how do you perform a lookup? Well, a lookup allows you to quickly search for a value for a field, and not all fields have a lookup icon. So for example, under name type, if you click the lookup icon, you can narrow down the name type validation code by typing MAI to reveal the maiden name. When you click OK, it selects the highlighted field. Finally, you can click Save to save all your work.